Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 2nd of June 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So who has been appointed as the new CEO and MD of Jubilant Food Works? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Samir Khetripali. So, the former Amazon executive Samir Khetripal has been appointed as MD and CEO of Jubilant Foodwork. So, basically, Samir launched and conceptualized several businesses like Amazon Fresh, Amazon Food and Amazon Pharmacy. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following life insurance company recently announced the launch of Bima Ratna, a non-linked, non-participating individual saving life insurance plan? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India, also known as LIC. So, recently LIC, India's largest insurer, has launched Bima Ratna, a non-linked, non-participating individual saving life insurance plan. The new plan, which aims at the domestic market, provides both protection and saving. Okay, so now next question. In year 2021 to 2022, which of the following countries overtook China as India's top trading partner? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is United States. So recently the United States overtook China to become India's top trading partner in 2021 to 2022, reflecting strong economic ties between the two countries. So according to the Commerce Ministry data, in 2021 to 2022, bilateral trade between the US and India stood at USD 119.42 billion against USD 80.5 billion in 2020 to 2021. Okay, so now move to the next question. Forbes has released the 7th Forbes 30 under 30 Asia list for 2022. So how many Indias falls into that category? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 61. So recently Forbes magazine has released the 7th edition of the Forbes 30 under 30 Asia list 2022, featuring 10 categories, each honoring 30 individuals under the age of 30. So the list represents 22 countries and territories across the Asia Pacific region. So basically India tops the list in terms of number of entries with 61, followed by Singapore by 34, then Japan 33, then followed by Australia by 32, then Indonesia by 30 and China by 28. Okay, so now next question. As per the new rules of SEBI for dispute resolution under the stock exchange arbitration mechanism, a sole arbitrator is appointed if an arbitrator case should be involved up to how many lakhs? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 25 lakh. So recently the market regulator SEBI has issued new standard operating procedure for dispute resolution under the stock exchange arbitration mechanism. So these mechanism will help to resolve the between a listed firm or registrars to an issue and share transfer agent and its shareholders. So basically the arbitration mechanism will also look out the resolution of complaints receiving through courts portal. So as per the SEBI circular, the new framework will come into force with effect from June 1st. So basically a sole arbitrator will be appointed in case of arbitration matter involving a claim of up to rupees 25 lakh. And if it is more than 25 lakh, a panel of 3 arbitrators will be appointed. Okay, so now move to the next question. What is the total growth estimate for financial year 2022 according to the National Statistic Office? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 8.7. So during the period of January to March of 2021 to 2022, India's economic grew by 4.1%, even though the rate of growth slowed with the Omicron wave, including restriction. But still it leads to creating a space of growth expansion of 8.7% in financial year 2022. Okay, so now next question. The Ministry of Petroleum and Crude Oil has set out the deadline for blended fuel from 2030 to which year in the following year? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 2025. Recently, WF annual meeting took place physically in Swiss town or Davos from May 2022 to May 26 after 2 years. Okay, do you remember? The theme of the meeting is History at a Turning Point, Government Policy and Business Strategies. Okay, so now next question. According to the RBI data, which of the following sector had the highest loan growth in April 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is medium-sized industry. So according to the Reserve Bank of India data report, credit to industry in exchange to 8.1% in April 2022, which is higher than 7.1% in March 2022. So in the first month of the new financial year, April, it has been observed that credit offtake continue to be vigorous across all sectors like farming, industry, service and retail. So as per data, credit to the medium-sized industries register a growth of 53.5%. Micro and small industries rose to 29% at the large industry segment of 1.6%. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who has been named as the head of the Aditya Birla Group's newly formed TMRW, which will be acquired and incubated direct to consumer fashion and lifestyle brands? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Prashant Alura. So recently, the Aditya Birla Group appointed Prashant as the head of the company's newly set up entity named as TMRW, which will acquire as well as incubated direct to consumer fashion and lifestyle brands. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently appointed as a part-time member of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Pankaj Sharma. So recently the Pankaj Sharma is appointed as a part-time member of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Okay.